So today we're going to talk about wheels. In this detail, we safely lift up your car. All four wheels are removed, and one by one we decontaminate the wheel. The inner barrel, the outer face, the lip, everything gets decontaminated, thoroughly cleaned, thoroughly cleansed, blow dry. We clean everything. This way we have a clean surface so that when we do apply our 2 coats of ceramic coating, this way when the ceramic coating gets bonded to the clear coat surface of your wheel, it's actually embedded onto your clear coat. Once the coating is installed, it creates a slick surface on top of your clear coat. The dirt and grime and brake dust and all of that stuff that happens inside the wheel will have a hard time sticking onto your wheel. This will lead into you having a cleaner wheel for longer periods of time. It's definitely a good investment to do if you're having a hard time cleaning and maintaining your wheels, or if you invested on some aftermarket wheels, I think it's going to be a wise investment to put ceramic coating onto your wheels. While we have your car up in a lift, we don't overlook your brake calipers. Brake calipers get thoroughly clean as well, and we apply ceramic coating onto your calipers. So you'll have shiny brake calipers, shiny wheel, and a very easy wheel to clean and maintain. So if you have any other questions in regards to our wheels off ceramic coating, you know what to do. 786-370-7838.